Hey guys, I'm going to interrupt my regular series by do a little unboxing video. I just received this package from littlemachineshop.com from California. Really excited about it. Let me turn the camera off and set up a tripod so I can actually do a proper unboxing. It's something I've been wanting for a long time, and you can sign up and get weekly emails from them. They put stuff on special from time to time, and this one was, so I couldn't resist. Alright, here we go with a proper unboxing. Cut through the tape. Sorry I don't have a samurai sword like Keith Appleton to use. He always cracks me up when he does an unboxing video. Let me see if I can keep this centered. With all the small parts I've been making since I started making stuff for 3.5-inch gauge locomotives, I thought something like this would be really handy, and I am really excited about having one now. You can see it's nicely wrapped in bubble wrap in a cardboard box. It's an aluminum plate that's drilled and counterbored and tapped. It's drilled for alignment pins and drilled and tapped for hold down. So it's 6 inches by 12 inches, I believe. So it should fit in my Kurt Weiss on the bridge port, and should be great for holding small parts down. Here is also bag of fasteners that came with it. Not fasteners, but the actual hold down hardware. Let me get the box out of the way. There we go. See if it has any instructions in the box. That's just my invoice. Yeah, 12-inch by 6-inch. It's called, the part number is 4084, and it's a tooling fixture plate. Excuse me. Which, yes, I could have made if I had the time, but working full-time and with a family and a house to take care of and all that stuff, I thought it was just something good to take advantage of the sale. So here's all the hardware that comes with it. This is kind of cool. Part of the reason I wanted to buy this is I have big hold-down stuff that goes with the bridge port, but nothing this tiny. These little fingers. And it would take a lot of work. The little steps that go on them too, like that. I'll just dump them out so you can see what do we got. Okay, it's 2 of the fingers, 2 of the associated steps, 3 fingers, 4 fingers, 4 steps. That makes sense. And I'm sure they can go either which way you need them, that way or the opposite orientation. Probably not. This way is the way. So there we have that. And then there's the hardware. That's nice. So it's got the pins, like locating pins, and the screws in it. I think these are 1024 countersunk screws. But obviously they fit in the tapped holes here. So that can be used in conjunction with the hold down fingers. Should include some washers actually. Oh, I see. You don't really need washers because the finger is countersunk for the head of the screw. So that's nice. Counterboard, whatever you want to call it. So the screws come in different lengths. Look like 1.25 inches, 1 inch, and maybe 3/4. So that's handy. And then this is a great idea too, these little locating pins. I'm sure these are hardened, but just being able to put a pin in, it's kind of like the old-timey carpenters. If you've ever seen a woodworker's vise, they'll have bench dogs that you can put in and then put the material, the wood, up against it and then clamp it in from one side, put the pressure on from one side, and it gives you a free side to work. So that's very nice, having the 4 pins and all the associated hold down. So I'm real excited about that. I'm sure I'll work it in. Don't know exactly what I'm going to use it on first, but with all the small parts, like I said, for the 3.5-inch gauge stuff, that'll definitely come in handy. So thank you to thelittlemachineshop.com. This is not sponsored or anything. I paid basically full price. I guess they gave me like a 10% discount. That's, like I said, on the emails. That's what I got it. Why I went ahead and bought this. So anyway, thought you guys would enjoy a little midweek upload and a little unboxing thing from me. I am making progress. I'm going to move the camera. As far as the Raritan riding car, went to Home Depot last night and bought a bunch of 1-inch by 1/8-inch flat steel, and then the skinny one is 3/4 inch by 3/16 inch. A lot of that I'll be using that to make a lot of the parts for the frame of the riding car. So hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please ask. If you're looking to buy one of these things, just go to littlemachineshop.com. I do recommend them. They're great to deal with. Stuff is not cheap by any stretch, but I've received very quality parts from them and very good service too. I really like dealing with that company. So have a great week. If you have questions, ask. If you don't have questions but you enjoyed watching this brief unboxing, please do give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.